10 Best Bonsai Garden Design Ideas. Bonsai gardens are a beautiful and elegant way to bring the art of bonsai into your home or garden. With careful planning and execution, you can create a bonsai garden that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. 1. Zen-inspired retreat. Create a tranquil sanctuary using minimalist elements, clean lines, and carefully pruned trees. 2. Cascading waterfall. Incorporate a miniature waterfall feature, where water gently cascades over rocks into a small pool. 3. Forest landscape. Arrange multiple bonsai trees of different heights and varieties to mimic a dense woodland. 4. Contemplative rock garden. Combine the elegance of bonsai trees with the simplicity and serenity of a Japanese rock garden. 5. Modern minimalism. Embrace clean, contemporary design by using sleek containers and focusing on 1 or 2 trees as centerpieces. 6. Wabi-sabi aesthetic. Embrace imperfections and asymmetry to evoke a sense of rustic beauty and age. 7. Moonlit garden. Illuminate your bonsai garden with subtle lighting, creating a magical and enchanting atmosphere after dark. 8. Mediterranean oasis. Infuse your bonsai garden with vibrant colors, fragrant herbs, and terracotta pots, reminiscent of the Mediterranean. 9. Bonsai forest path. Design a winding pathway through your bonsai forest, inviting viewers to wander and discover hidden treasures. 10. Classic Japanese garden. Pay homage to traditional Japanese garden design, with meticulously placed stones, lanterns, and water features. With a little planning and effort, you can create a bonsai garden that will be a source of beauty and inspiration for years to come. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your bonsai garden today.